Okay guys, so today we will discuss about how to claim a Tuki token. So first, make sure you have a account on Tuki on test tuki.io. Then we need to log into your page on Tuki. So I am on login now. So here's my account. So be sure you have enough balance on your account. So if you don't have enough balance or you are new to the website of Tuki, you need to claim on Ethereum Poset. So this is a testnet Poset. So we need to claim. So make sure you copy your address. So here we will copy our address. So click receive. So copy our address. Then paste it on the Ethereum Poset. So you can claim once a day only. So one IP per claim only. So let's see the checks. Send me test ether. So okay, so here it is. So here are transaction has. So we claim one ETH for today. So it's pending now. So we wait a couple of seconds to make sure that status is approved. So while waiting, we need to go to our website. So okay. So here it is. So it's now $236. So so how to claim 2 key token. So I have 20. This is my claim on previous campaign. So today I will teach you how to claim this. So here is another campaign. So this is the 2 key sign up campaign number 4. So I will post the link on the description below on my YouTube video. So I will paste it so that you can copy and paste on the browser. So okay, so how to claim. So you need to pay $3 participation, or minimum and max is $3. So we have enough we have enough dollars now. We have enough to claim. So make sure to unlock your wallet address. So let's unlock this. Let's unlock our wallet address. Okay, so let's go to our wallet. So we have $236. So we have enough to buy the 2 key. So okay, let's go. Let's claim now. So let's go to the previous campaign. So let's click on participate now. Okay, so this is the $3. It's the minimum. So we can claim 52 key. So if you want to don't show your username, so just click don't show. Then let's click next. So make sure you are claiming on a desktop version, because on mobile version there is a errors coming out. So you can claim on mobile, but you need to enable the desktop window so that you can claim. So let's wait to be approved on the blockchain. So here guys, so make sure you have enough ETH, so you can claim 1 ETH every day on the testnet Rapstain. So let's see, wait. So not yet. So okay, let's proceed first to the community. So community is the social mining of the 2key. This community, the 2key.io. So okay, so if you have enough 2key tokens, you can upvote. Okay, so let's see. So I don't have, I have 0.469 influence. So let's see if I can upvote. So I don't have enough activity, so let's go to the community board. So here it is. If you want to upvote this campaign or this is activity, just click upvote, then put your upvote amount if you want. So I try upvote 10. So here it is. I upvote the activity on the bullet board on the board. So let's check on most upvoted. So you can see. So let's try to upvote this example. So let's see 5 upvote. So that's how you upvote a activity on the community board. So if you want to downvote, so just click downvote and put your reason why you downvote the certain activity. So let's go to the okay, so it's successful. Thank you for your contribution. Now we go to proceed to my activity. So it's loading, so let's just wait. This is my reward, so I have no reward. So we go to the my purchases. So we purchase 2 key token with minimum of $3 and maximum of $3. So here it is. So today is September 10, 2019. This is the campaign number 4. So let's click on withdraw. So we can't withdraw all the 50 tokens, so there's a date unlocking the withdrawal. So first, its unlock date is September 5. So let's withdraw the tokens. So let's check first our token. So this is 20. So if it's successful, it goes to 25. So let's just wait. This is how you can withdraw tokens for simple way, guys. So this is very easy to follow. Just watch my videos. Okay, so if you have question, just message on the description below. Just message me, or you can go to the 2Key Telegram group. There's a lot of community there that can help you in withdraw 2Key tokens. So, but this video is very easy to follow. So just follow the video and okay. So it's done. So let's check on our oh, it's 25 now. So let's withdraw other campaign. So my previous campaign is 10 cookie. So it's unlocked, all unlocked. So let's try this 10 cookie and cookie. Okay. So after withdrawing, guys, you can now upvote on the community board. So this is why you need to buy tokens, because if you don't have 2Key tokens, you cannot upvote on the community board. So if you upvote, your influence will be up. So there's a rewards for upvoting good quality activity. So let's check my activities. So here it is, my previous. So there is a validator rewards for the upvoting. Okay, so I don't have any upvote yet. So this is my first time to upvote, or this is a test upvote. So I don't have any previous upvotes. Okay, so let's see. Okay, oh, it's now 35, guys. So that's it. So that is very easy, guys, to withdraw or to buy test 2Key. So have question, just message me. Okay, guys. So next, we'll go to the next video again. If you have question, message me, guys. So till now, guys, so bye. So hope you enjoy our video and hope you follow it easily, guys. So till next time, bye.